See this cat? That's not your regular cat. That's Maxwell the cat. And this beautiful cat, that's one of his many, many victims. This cat, Maxwell the cat, has literally been terrorizing the streets and every single animal on those streets. I need Maxwell the cat to go to jail. At this point, he has committed assault, battery, intentional infliction of emotional distress, and so many other things. Why is this cat still roaming those streets? At this point, I think all the animals that Maxwell the cat has been terrorizing have to come together and file a class action lawsuit. Just watch this. Look at what Maxwell the cat is doing.